Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
MLA kanot Shong constituency uba Adelbert nongrum uloong bakajing panjing sha jong na ulampang kayeng dorbar kalong halor kajing sha Pynkynriah Jaka Shong ban Phah Shong no bat ki MLA na ka TMC hakasis dang ka dorbar senrai kabaralong mentakisngi ka pratre unai lur aja pusan habakran cikilat pathai kubor uba Adelbert uloong balada kajing Pynkynriah Jaka Shong kadai Namar ka Shithi sha Sospon jong ha ka VPP ha ka arpu sautri ulber arhaja pusan kumta kalong Beaiñ Henry uloong baya kani uhap banya kendu ya ulampang ban keli benya ya ka party ka Phah na kanu kajing tho ban pentip sha ulampang halor kani.
Hello sir. Sir, excuse me. I'm not supposed to interrupt, but sir, may I seek a clarification from your esteemed chair. Like, why myself being as an MLA from VPP, be in this position? Last time I was in this chair, now you are putting me in the back, so I don't know what's the reason. So may I get clarification from?
No, under what rules you are bringing a point of order? You can discuss it later on in the.
No, I did not raise any point of order, sir, but just to seek clarification. Because I remember for my party, they had suspended me on the 24/3/2025. What I'm raising my voice at a point of time that this is purely illegal, purely unconstitutional, because they are refer not in a proper address. They did not refer me in a proper address as a legislative, as a legislator. Adelbert, 17 North Shong constituency MLA. But they had referred me at the point of time as Adelbert Norum, Mr. Adelbert Norum, Shong. Is it true?
The matter will be discussed later in my chamber. This is not the appropriate place or time to discuss this on the house. Thank you, please.
Kila ban batal mi kindiat ni kila yesu jingkili haro ka jingsa Pynkynriah EP ka Jaka Shong kila batai company aknya
yang bujung batai company andre jingsa paling aris mane poka assembly ho gadika internal matter apring jonga party di andre haban kali no honorable speaker jonga assembly uba kadika subject hi ka ba ngai ba na last session masa Pynkynriah shakawi ka jaga hakaju ka table barki prano ilam jonga VPP di menta pa labu inga barki parlok kawi pa ka table barki parlok ka TMC ti ngamsu ira da kile da kalenti ndai nganang mention hiru mane kalong highly illegal kalong unconstitutional Namar ada ka party hi ka intimate da ka ju hi ka suspension letter ka baki suspending ka ap sautrik 24/3 ngamut 24/3/2025 ap sautrik March aja apsan til lagi intimate dah tu letter tengah sung kalong unconstitutional kalong highly illegal til ngamong i hiru ka tarik kam jok party ti jong speaker tengah tip ngarung ha bani kedu speaker pan tip lagi intimate i am kan intimation moki Phah nuno ka new intimation am sapoka office jong speaker
ni su thu bai kan Shithi la Phah la kham sem speaker to kai ba pelong pada EP ban sempor man panjang sana speaker
mam ki khlam Phah nakaleng ka party kari ka kamram jongka party mo absolute duty jongka party bakan Phah intimation sapo speaker ti kadai ki khendat panai mentasi panai ngana wadi kedu speaker honorable speaker ban si clarification ban nakaleng party kila INM ka intimation tu kramai ti ngali bani kendu par kalong bangas peni pat ui ke commission the way they suspended me mo karukom suspend kalong very insulting insult mde nga di insult ke electorate ki ba saying an ka constituency ti ngai ka pa jing start jong speaker ngan sabi kedu yu speaker bani karen lo kani
kalau lalit kami pihak dorbar ban kan wa suspend tak inshallah anan pilih ke Shongki belum
kom lo
kalau lalit kami pihak ban kan for assembly
oh lo lalit ndon bala ban khai nga ta
tapi la ban batai kata Shithi solution kan
katutu kung baka pawi bagi ang bangalong anti party ndai ai hipai ba sansar kin bisara ta jong anti party ke jong ka ba kumno na marang ang community ba ka party kan khot kum kiro rang ba ina kar rang ba mo shaman simno decision tene kim sim la khot ka tar ma kisu thu ba kim don ru ka nongrem mar adu kalas shoban kasi ka vote jong election jong MDC ru nang kintu da ka pan pau ba manga ba kayeng sem nin kersan ya ka VPP tin ong kumno anti party mo
Tebarat
ti rada ki ong bangal anti party mara ki isu klaim konsol ya ka party kata mo melapan pedang Namar ba kenu ka ba lawan ras po assembly ka lapan poi syaki member honorable member chung 60 honorable member chung assembly baru baglatip beforehand ti but kawai hi kada ko de reservation policy ka banga don ne kajing thot kajing sosi ka bakrau nomor ngapan nisno iladi bar VP halor ka reservation policy kamtam ka karmik reservation ndai hadir mai iba kajing submit ke jongki yaki views and opinion siapa state expert committee kami semadon ke karmik de halor tanong rim mangan sanut ya ka baniang ngamde bo yang percaya parti dan ada yang baniang percaya parti dengan le percaya apa de kajat benrio kata kadi bang